Assalamu alaikum. Mwako about the Home Doctor Service Center. Say one of our customers in back on the day phone way back say Samsung Galaxy S25. S25, but him say we no any we a copy, we no original. But just by the way, you see phone and charge it. Phone in charging T. You see we are going to plug the charger and see what is going on. And we have the charging meter here. Our charging meter is here, but in short, the phone is not charging. The phone is not charging. See, I have been plugging the charger. And see here, everything. The battery is inside, but the phone is not charging. So, we are going to diagnose and fix the problem. And I'm say any microscope intimi record the full video and family. We are the results no better than but the phone is not charging. See the charging port here. You see the battery is here. The charging system is there, but you plug the phone. You plug the charger, and the phone is not charging. The phone is not charging. Let's try to on the phone and see. The phone is working, but it's not charging. You see, the phone is working. The phone is working, but it's not charging. You see, the phone is working, but it's not charging. So let's fix this phone together. Now you can see video in a able to video also. So that this one was actually cheap work. We have replaced the charging port. It's type C, but now you can see the phone is charging. You see the phone is charging right now. This work is very see this work is very cheap. You see, so Home Doctor Service Center, we offer you the best repairs. Assalamu alaikum. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share.